So I'm choosing between this or this. I'll just check both so I can see. This is what I have. I already have this. Good morning. So today is Saturday. It's already 8:10 in the morning. So I'm about to go and join yung hot ladies walk sa Jumeirah. So before that, pakita ko muna sa inyo, binigyan nila sa akin itong New Balance. Ito yung New Balance, yung pinaka-latest nilang collection or pinaka-latest nilang model, which is the Fresh Foam 1080 V14. Ayan siya. So, pinili ko yung color na white with beige and seafoam. Para neutral lang siya, guys. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda niya. So, ang size ko is US 10. Happy, no ah. So, ayan, US 10. Ito siya. So, I think yung women's is gold yung emboss niya dito. Samantalang yung sa men's naman, I think it's in silver. Yun yung nakita ko last time. I think pinakita ko sa inyo yung video when I was there at their newest store in City Walk. So, ayan. Suot na natin siya because I need to leave 40 minutes drive going sa fields in Jumeirah. So, ayan. Nag-prepare lang ako ng isang boiled egg tsaka toast, isang bread para may energy for the walk. Ano na bang? Ayan, suot na natin siya. Guys! Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Yay! Tinaas talaga yung paa. Huh? Oh my God, late na ako. Lemon with hot water. Yay, thank you so much New Balance and Cosmopolitan for my new shoes. O, diba? I think yung retail price niya is, yung price niya sa store is around 899 dirham. Sa peso, i-times 15 yun na lang, guys. Hindi ko sure. Maybe around 12,000 pesos. So, yun yung price nitong bagong New Balance. Grabe, gumising na ako ng maaga pero parang ang bilis ng oras. Yun lang, guys. Busin ko lang to. Tapos tara na. Hala, oh my God.
Kasi nga may 11:30 class.
So what can you say about diba? We're back at MoFun to collect our rug. So, let's see what's the outcome. Sana maganda, guys. Let's see. I think maliit lang naman siya eh, pero at least yun yung aming work of art. Sa YouTube to. As a YouTuber. Girl! Ayan na ang iyong rug. Oh my God. No, this one. Cute flower. Yay! Guys. And then the other one. I think this one.
that one, right?
For Diane, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ikaw dito ba?
doon.
Pakita mo yung ano. So this one is mine, this one is Case, and then Diane. Nice! Got it, guys! So this is my masterpiece. Colorful flower. Guys, another lakwatsa day. Ah, bakit naka-on yung flash? Mag-golf kami sa Topgolf. Ito yung outfit ko. Guys, so kakarating ko lang sa parking. Nakapag-park na ako. So, yeah, I'm so excited. Parang kailan ba yung last na yung... Kailan ba ako last pumunta ng Topgolf? I think with Diane. Umattend kami sa isang activity ng postcard. Parang paint and golf. So, yun. Natry ko tong Topgolf that time. Medyo mahirap actually mag-golf. Akala ko madali lang. Pero mahirap pala siya. Ayun. So, sama ko na kayo. Let's go! Wow! It went in the red. Hi guys! It's a lovely Thursday and I'm here today at the Barnyard in Dubai Hills and I'm attending an event for Xcluzive. So I'll quickly show you what they have over here and yeah, I'm also going to do the tarot card reading so I'm super excited. Let's I did the tarot reading at the event. Unfortunately, the voice was corrupted and there was nothing recorded. I think because of the microphone. So, all in all, the tarot reading was more on about being positive in life and embracing and accepting whatever losses you have encountered or I have encountered in my life. And if people were trying to go out of my life, she said, as per the cards, to let them go and not hold back. So I'm just taking this all in a grain of salt and taking it all in a positive light. She also mentioned something about if I'm planning to start a business, it's better to start it on my own without any partners. So if I'm thinking to ask a friend or a loved one or a family member to start a business together, she said it will not work and it's better to do it alone. So as I've mentioned, I'm just taking it at a grain of salt and yeah, just listening and just trying to understand all whatever the cards were saying. So overall, I think tarot reading is a nice way to just ask for advice maybe or an opinion of the cards, but don't take it too much seriously. So this is what I got from the cards. And yeah, I'm taking it all in a positive light. So I think it's better that it was corrupted because I don't want anything like, to be misunderstood in the cards. But yeah, I'm just explaining it all to you partly. So yeah, continue watching the video.
Guys, what a long day. After the event, I went back to work, so I was so tired. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Or i-share ko rin kung anong binigay nilang goodies. Mabilis lang. O sige, i-share ko guys. Pero mabilis lang kasi I think last time parang wala masyadong nanood ng video. Dahil sobrang haba, puro mga products lang. Pakita ko lang siya ng mabilisan. And then, let's see. So, eto siya guys. Ito yung binigay nilang goodie bag after the event. So, pakita ako guys. Sobrang, nakakapagod. Anyways, magluluto pa ako ng dinner. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ng mabilis. So, bali yung brand is Xcluzive. If familiar kayo. Xcluzive. So, umattend kami. And then, they gave this one. So, they gave me their hair accessories, hairbrush. Meron din, obviously, makeup wipes, makeup pads, and then makeup sponges. So, ayan, ang dami. Unlimited supply na ako. Ilan kayang laman nito? Pack of 24. Ayan. For foundation, concealer. They also gave facial cleansing cellulose sponge, 2-piece. Exfoliating gloves, skin exfoliating bath and shower sponge, and then they also gave nail polish remover, facial and body razor, precision tweezer, o diba? And then cosmetic sponge. Para rin siyang kagaya ng sponge pero circular to for foundation and concealer, blush and all. Ayun lang guys. So yun yung binigay nila. So magluluto na ako. And guys, comment naman kayo kung anong gusto niyo mapanood sa vlog ko. Kung saan kayo interested. Kasi parang feeling ko paulit-ulit na mga events and all. Kung meron kayong ibang gustong makita, comment down below. And yun lang for today. See you next time. Bye guys! Bye-bye!